Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You will need 20 pounds of ripe tomatoes, canning jars, lids, a jar lifter, funnel, and a large stock pot for blanching and processing. Start by selecting firm, ripe Roma or plum tomatoes with thick flesh because they yield thicker crushed tomato and less water separation. Expect yield of about 7 to 9 pints per 20 pounds of tomatoes, depending on how much you reduce them. Rinse all produce and have 1 tablespoon of bottled lemon juice per pint, ready for acidity and safety. Wash and core tomatoes, then blanch in boiling water for 30-60 seconds until skins split. Immediately transfer to an ice bath to stop cooking. Peel and crush tomatoes to desired texture using a food mill, food processor, or hand masher. Measure salt and add 1 teaspoon per quart if desired. Sterilize jars and lids in boiling water for 10 minutes while keeping them hot. Keep a hot towel on the counter and set up your jar funnel and ladle so filling is smooth and efficient. Fill jars leaving 1/2 inch headspace, wipe rims clean, then apply lids and screw bands fingertip tight to prevent leaks. Process pints in a boiling water bath for 35 minutes at sea level. Add 5 minutes for every 1,000 feet elevation above sea level and adjust time accordingly. After processing, remove jars and let sit undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours until lids seal. Label jars with the date and store in a cool, dark place for up to 18 months. Refrigerate after opening.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.